everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be decorating for fall. I'm so excited. I love decorating for fall, putting out all the little pumpkins. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I think I'm going to do another like getting ready for fall vlog, like making a fall mood board, going to Bath & Body Works and getting like all the fall scents, doing like a little fall haul, because there's just so many fall things to do and I feel like I can't fit it all in this vlog. So I think I'm gonna do a separate one, kind of like doing all the fall things, prepping for fall, getting in the fall mood. So I think that'll be up after this video. This one is solely focused on decorating, getting my apartment all ready for fall, bringing out all the fall decorations. I like to keep it pretty minimal and neutral. I don't do anything too crazy. We're gonna be decorating, but still trying to keep it kind of aesthetic. I also did pick up a couple things from Target, so I'm gonna do a little fall decor haul. I just thought it would be fun to vlog and take you guys along as I decorate. If you guys enjoy it, definitely give it a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and if you'd like to see one for Christmas, definitely comment below some of your favorite places to shop for home decor, and kind of like what your style is when it comes to seasonal decor. Do you like more minimalistic and neutral, or do you like to go all out and do like all the fun colors? Definitely comment below. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I've been posting a lot of reels lately, so definitely make sure to follow on there, and let's just get into the video. Before actually getting into the decorating, I just thought I would do a little haul of some things I picked up. I thought I just picked up a few like little pumpkins, like one trip to Target here, I picked up one, but I don't even know. Like, I don't even know what all this is. Pretty much it's all from Target except for this. First up is this little pumpkin. This is actually from Kirkland's. It's like a little Sherpa pumpkin and it's cream. I just thought it was so cute. I literally have so many pumpkin decorations, so as I bring out all of my old decorations, we'll see if I even need all of this. I love that. From Target, I picked up this little pumpkin. It's kind of like the same but different. It's like this little orange Sherpa pumpkin. Clearly, I like the Sherpa pumpkins. This was like a $3. Most of what I got from Target was like in the dollar section. I think this is really cute. It's like this little wicker pumpkin, and this is just so fall and so cute, and again it was like $1. I did pick up a couple things from like the Magnolia Hearth and Home section. I got these little dishcloths. I have some of these that I got a few years ago, but they're actually like really worn out, like have like holes in them and stuff just from using them. So I thought these were really cute for the fall and would replace some of my other fall ones that are pretty worn out. I actually kind of just use them all year round. Gray and cream you can just use all the time. And then I got this apple candle. It smells so good. It's like the perfect apple scent. It's apple orchard. It was kind of expensive for like what it is, like for the size. It's like, I think it's more expensive than even like a Bath & Body Works one. It really does smell so good. It's like the freshest apple smell. It really does smell just like fresh apples. I'm kind of like obsessed, and I feel like the packaging is really nice. Literally more. I don't know what got into me. Why did I buy so many pumpkins? I also got these, and it literally was $1. There's like little velvet pumpkins, and I think this one's like really aesthetic and cute. I also got this one. I think this one is so cute as well, and I just love like the neutral ones. I also got this one. I thought this would look really nice in my kitchen because this is kind of like the colors of my kitchen, like my cabinets, my counter. So I just thought it would look really nice in there. How cute is this? It's like a baby Sherpa one. It's also kind of Sherpa. It's like so tiny. I'm embarrassed. Like I went really crazy. Like every time I was out and I saw like a cute pumpkin, I bought it, and I'm just like, why did I buy so many? Okay, and then I also got this one, just like a little ceramic orange one. I think that's pretty much all of it, but I did actually get this candle. It's not fall scented. It's like a rose scent. I just thought it was really cute and aesthetic. I just love the packaging, and it does smell really nice, but it's not a fall scent. I just got this for my closet to kind of organize some stuff at the top of my closet. And then lastly, this is from Amazon, and it is this book. It's the Architectural Digest like coffee table book. I just thought this would be really cute for my coffee table. Currently I have like a pink book on there, and it's really cute. I absolutely love it. It just doesn't really look good like in the fall and the winter, like when I have Christmas decorations and stuff, and even in the summer it's just like a little bit bright. Like it is really cute, but it's just a little bit bright. Might put it in my room or something, because I feel like my room is a little bit more colorful and my living room and kitchen is a little bit more neutral, so I feel like it's more, it fits the vibe of my room a little bit more than in my living room. So I thought this would be good to replace it with on my coffee table. It just kind of fits the colors a little bit better in there. I've been wanting this for a while, and I think it was sold out when I initially moved into my apartment, so I've kind of kept my eye out, and it is really expensive, but I think it'll look really nice. That is my haul. That is the fall decorations I picked up, but we will not be taking a trip to Target in this vlog, going shopping for fall decor because clearly I don't need it. I think I'm just going to bring out all of my fall decorations, like all the stuff that I currently have. I just keep it in my garage. I'm just gonna get it all out, start kind of like unboxing it and see what I'm working with, start decorating. Okay, so here are all the fall decorations that I brought up. This one is mainly pillows, they're blankets and hand towels. And then this one is like the actual fall decorations. And these are just like some vases and stuff that didn't fit in here. I think I might just grab a pumpkin spice really quick before I get started on the decorating. Got the pumpkin spice. I got a venti iced pumpkin spice. This is gonna be so good. Oh, it's so good. It just tastes like fall. I've got my pumpkin spice. I've got a fall candle going. I brought up all my fall decorations. So it is now time to actually start decorating. I think I'm gonna start by unboxing the actual decorations. There's like a gnat flying around. I thought it was a spider. I really hope there's no spiders. I am so scared of spiders, and this has been sitting in my garage. I'm gonna start off by just like taking everything out and kind of sorting it into sections, like all the pumpkins, the other stuff, just kind of organizing it. I really hope there's no spiders. I'm scared there's gonna be like a spider. We're just gonna organize this. Here are all of the decorations that I already have. I just kind of organized it. So obviously here are all the pumpkins and then like the vases. And then these are just kind of like random things. I think I'm gonna start with the pillows and throw blankets and then just kind of work my way to all of the decorations. I also have a bunch of fall and some Christmas scents as well. And here, mostly fall. So I'm gonna switch out my summer candles for these. I think my room is pretty much done. So now I'm gonna do my living room and kitchen area. I think my room looks super cute. It's like very fall, but still pretty like aesthetic and minimal and neutral, which is what I was going for. Definitely has the fall vibes. Same with over here, it's like cute and fall, but not too over the top, I feel. Here's how my desk shelves turned out. I think they look really cute as well. And then I just added the little Sherpa pumpkin to sit on my desk. Here is the new coffee table book. This is what I had before, so it's super cute. Just kind of clashes with my Christmas decorations, fall decorations. I think it would look better in my room. I think this one would look a little bit better. quite a bit later. I think I'm pretty much done. I really like how everything has turned out so far. I'm just kind of like looking around to see if there's any places that I kind of missed that like looks empty and not very fall. I'm just gonna do like a quick tour and overview of how everything turned out. I think that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you'd like to see a Christmas version, like decorating my apartment for Christmas, comment below some of your favorite places to shop for fall decorations. Don't forget to check back in a couple days. I'm gonna be doing a getting ready for fall vlog, like going to Bath and Body Works and getting some fall scents, making a fall mood board, doing a clothing haul of some things I've recently picked up for fall. I also think I'm gonna do a full fall try on clothing haul. I've definitely ordered a lot of fall clothing pieces lately. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.